Hey, this is Ryan Hildreth here with Anthony Alfonso, and in this video we're going to answer a few questions actually on how to start affiliate marketing profitably in 2019. We're going to go over kind of the most common questions and the most crucial questions that need to be answered in order for you to succeed with affiliate marketing in 2019. So Anthony, do you want to start this one off?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, so welcome in everybody tuning into this video. So what we're going to do in this video, we're going to go over some Q&A questions on affiliate marketing and just internet marketing in general. What we did is we sent out an email and we got some questions in that people are wondering about affiliate marketing. So we're going to go over them. And the first question that we have is, how much budget should you have to start an affiliate marketing business? Now, it really depends on what your goal is with affiliate marketing. Do you want to do affiliate marketing full-time or part-time or just a hobby? So if you're going to be doing it full-time, I recommend having a budget of at least $2,000 to be ideal, because you're going to want to be able to scale your business. Now, the more the better. So for me, when I started, I didn't have that much. So I started off with a couple $100. I worked 40 plus hours a week and I kept reinvesting into my business. So the truth is, you can start with a lower amount as long as you're willing to invest and buy data and scale your campaigns. So that's the difference. So if you're not ready to do that, wait till you have $2,000. But if you only have, $300 to $500, yes, you can start, but be willing to invest weekly in yourself and in your ads. And that's exactly what I did. I worked overtime and invested in my ads.
Definitely. If you want to scale profitably a long-term affiliate business, you're going to have a startup budget anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000. Now, if you have, let's just say you have less than $100, you're like, Ryan, Anthony, I literally have nothing. I'm working part-time and the budget's tight. What you could do, and this is something that I personally did with free traffic, is go and find someone out there that is releasing a course that currently has somewhat of a following. They have somewhat of, clout, and they have that authority, and see if you can work out an affiliate deal where maybe they pay you 50% or 30% commission on a course that they have, and go take that course. If you have to pay for it, maybe $100, $200, $300, go buy that course so that you can make a review video on it on YouTube, because chances are that person is probably running ads for their launch, right? They're launching their course, it's new, it's fresh, and people are searching on YouTube for a review of that course. Go ahead and make a review of that course, put your affiliate link in the description, and give a bonus. Say, hey, if you sign up to this course, with my affiliate link, I'll give you a free one-on-one coaching call, or I'll give you one-on-one support. And that's a good way to make some startup capital. You'll make a few $100 in affiliate commissions, maybe even a couple thousand to get started, and then go ahead, take that money and now reinvest it into some paid advertising. So yeah.
Yeah, well said, well said. So the next question that we got in, this is a frequently asked question, is, when should I pause my ads? So this is a common question among running, paid traffic with your affiliate ads or any business model. And the truth is everybody's threshold is going to be different. And the reason I say that is because if you're promoting a $100 offer and I'm promoting a $500 offer, where if I make one sale, I make $500, my testing is going to be different than yours. So a good rule of thumb, if you're completely unsure when you should pause a campaign, is at 3 to 5 times the payout. So that's exactly when you should pause a campaign. Now, every traffic source is going to be different. So if you're on Facebook ads, you have to find that kill metric in your campaign. And we've discussed kill metric before on some of my videos. You guys can go check them out. But 3 to 5 times the payout if you are unsure. Now, keep in mind, if you're running Google ads, if you're running Bing ads or native ads, you're going to be using slightly different metrics, but every campaign, no matter what platform you're on, you're going to have a point when you're going to pause your ads. So just keep that in mind. Don't overthink it. By 5 times the payout, if I haven't made a sale, to me, that lets me know that maybe I did something wrong in my campaign research and also building out my affiliate campaign. So for example, you have a $500 budget, you're promoting a $50 offer, and you spend 5 times the payout and you don't make a sale running paid traffic, think about your funnel, think about your ads, and think about your competitors, because 9 times out of 10, you did your research, you know it works, so there's something in your funnel that could be wrong. It could be something just as small as a button or a link on your landing page not working, and you don't know that. So it could be something as small as that.
Yeah, definitely. To touch on that, and to shut your campaign down, or when should I, when do I know if it's not working? The little things that could go wrong with your funnel. For instance, I once added, a little piece of code, a little pixel that I had to add into my funnel, and that literally made my opt-in page not work. And I was wondering why. I was not even getting any opt-ins. My opt-ins literally went from 80 a day on this particular campaign to 0, and I was getting 0 sales. And I had to go back through my funnel and said, what did I do yesterday that changed my funnel in any way? And it was just that little piece of code that I added that I noticed messed up my funnel. So I had to go delete it and restart over again. So think about if something's wrong, if something's going wrong with your metrics, think about what you did in the past 3 days to your funnel and how that could have affected it to where it's not working. And then also, as far as ad sets, and Anthony taught me this too. I like to, again, look at your metrics, look at your cost per lead, look at your, cost per conversion, right? If you haven't gotten a conversion yet, look at your leads. Are you generating leads at maybe on one ad set at $3 a day, or at $3 per lead, and then one is generating, $7 a lead? Maybe consider shutting off the $7 per lead ad set and scale up that $3 per lead ad set, and then you can look at your conversion and say, okay, I've spent 2 times the amount of my payout. I'm getting close to that 3x mark. I need to watch out for my campaign. So those are just little things, just to touch on, what Anthony said that you can be watching out for.
Hey, well said, Ryan. Well said. So the next question that we got is, what are the top offers that I should be promoting? Now, this is a frequently asked question among affiliate marketers and people trying to crush it. And the truth is, it really depends on what traffic source you're on. So I'm going to give you an example. So if you're running Bing traffic, which is search traffic, if you don't know what that is, that's like putting your ads up on Yahoo and MSN. Now, offers on there, you can run more aggressive versus running offers on Facebook. Now, Facebook, when you're on Facebook, a lot of you guys watching right now, you're probably running ads on Facebook, for example. So some niches and affiliate offers I recommend is try promoting an e-com product. Those are Facebook friendly. Join Giddy Up. That's one affiliate network I actually recommend, because you can actually put your Facebook pixel throughout the funnel. So that helps you to optimize and actually, know what's working and easily review your data. E-com is one niche. Lead generation, so solar leads, home refinance, auto insurance. These are different niches that you can go into on Facebook and promote and also scale. So now there's also more aggressive niches out there. And when I hear these types of questions, to me indicates that maybe you have tried, health offers or make money online offers. Maybe your ads got disapproved, and that's why that question truly comes up, is because the offer that you were running, it could have been something small. It could have been your ad copy that triggered it. So if you're ever having issues with your ads and in choosing your niche, think about what your strategy is and validate that offer. So moving forward, e-com, solar, lead gen, these white hat affiliate offers, they're able to be ran on Facebook. And just check with your affiliate manager too if you're unsure, if you're in like Max Bounty or any of these networks, and ask them, are people successfully running this on Facebook? Are there any affiliates running this on Google? So you can always check in with the traffic source that you're promoting on and ask that. So keep that in mind as you're choosing an offer.
Yeah, definitely. And stressing that is doing your research before you actually run the offer. Ask your affiliate manager again, like Anthony said, if that offer is actually being ran successfully on Facebook. Because if someone is running it on Facebook, let's say it's super aggressive, it's a make money online offer, but someone's running it successfully, then there's a way to do it. You just have to figure out how to do it. And if you have some spy tool and you find out who that affiliate is, and you can actually see what they're doing, with their ad copy to make it compliant, with their landing page to make it compliant, then you can make that offer work. Okay, but it might take some time and adjusting. Okay, and that's that's one thing I want to touch on too, with like the make money online niche or the health niche, where Facebook is definitely more strict on the guidelines. You just really have to do your research and see what's working, and get mentorship from Anthony, get mentorship from me, ask people that are currently running offers like that, and see if you can get any advice on how they're doing it, even if you have to pay them for their time.
So the last question that we have is, what would you do if you lost everything and you had to start over from ground zero? I'm going to let Ryan lead in on this one. So this will be the final question. So by the way, drop a like on this video if you're getting value from this. And, let us know, like the people who comment in the first hour of this video, we're going to answer your question. So, drop your comment below this. But what would you do if you had to start all over in affiliate marketing and you were at zero?
That's a really good question. So zero as in like I have $0 in my bank account, and
$0 in your bank account, like
Yep.
the struggle. $0. Hey, ramen noodles for dinner.
All right.
So everyone can relate to having ramen noodles for dinner.
Yeah. So
yeah, ramen noodles.
Dollar menu at McDonald's, ramen noodles. Struggling. Working the part time, whatever it may be. If I had to start from zero, I would go savage mode, and what I mean by that is create content like a beast. Create content, abuse every platform, in a sense that you're just working the platform. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. I would be on every single platform because I don't have a choice. Like when you're in that position, you don't have a choice. You don't have money to work with. You don't have any Facebook advertising at your expense. I would be uploading a video every single day on YouTube. I would be doing about 7 to 12 Instagram stories per day, Instagram live, and I'd be DMing at least 100 to 200 people on Instagram to try to make some sales. I would go find a ebook or a course that can add some value to people, whether it be a make money online course, start a business course, e-com course, or affiliate marketing, and I would go ham with that. I would market to people and say, hey, I've taken this course, or I really highly recommend this course, and if you purchase my link, I'll offer you some one-on-one mentorship, and just see where you can add value. That's really how I've done it. I'm only saying it how I did it because, when I first started, I didn't have money to work with. I had a credit card. That's another thing you could do as well. You can go apply for a credit card, and, it's not good to go in like too much credit card debt or anything like that. I don't recommend that. But if need be, if I had to use some credit to get ahead, to start generating some sales, I would do so. But definitely uploading content and selling a product and adding value around that product, period.
Yeah, you guys heard it from the man himself, Ryan Hildreth right here. So, yeah, honestly, for me, it would be the exact same, bust out as much content as possible. But one thing that I would try to do is, if I had started from zero and had nothing, is I want to surround myself with people already doing affiliate marketing, people who are already successful, because then what I would try to do is try to give them value and offer some type of service to them. So whether it be I set up all of their affiliate campaigns, they're tracking. Now that's something that, it's a skill set. You can learn it. You can learn it through YouTube. You can learn it through, asking questions to support a Volume or ClickMagick, and then reach out to some of these affiliates who are crushing it and offer them, let them know that you'll set up their website and set up their tracking. So there's a couple things that you can do is just outreach to people who are already crushing it. And believe me, like if you do this, one person, it's a numbers game. The more people you message, the higher probability you have of someone saying, hey, yeah, you could set up all of my tracking in my campaigns. So be willing to give value to people. That's the first thing I would do. Now, the next thing I would do is I would narrow in on exactly what Ryan said. Aim on your free traffic. And then, if you have to pick up a couple shifts and that's what you have to do, you got to get it out the mud. So that's exactly what I would do. Get it out the mud, pick up a couple shifts, and try to just reinvest until I could start making some commissions. Now, Ryan touched on it again. Using YouTube video reviews, that will work. When I started my YouTube channel, that's what I did. I bought an Amazon course and I did a review. You're gonna start at the bottom, so you'll have 0 people following you. But even as a channel with 300 subscribers, I made hundreds of dollars just by having a review and offering people value and letting people know, hey, if you buy through my link, you're gonna get my mentorship and you'll get my support. So when you're starting out, you're gonna have to pay with your time, and the way you're gonna pay with your time is just giving your time to people on a Skype call, doing a screen share, reviewing their setup, and maybe even just helping them set up their website, something even small. So that's something that I would do. Do you have any thoughts, final thoughts on this?
Yeah, man. I mean, like, it's a good question because, you know, if you're watching this and you're in this position where you are starting from zero, like, you have to make it work. And if you really don't want to do the 9 to 5, or you don't want to do that, have a boss or anything like that, then you're going to have to figure it out. And I think finding a product, adding value around that existing product, whether it be a course that you're reviewing, right? Like, for instance, one course that I recommend that I've done a review video on, you know, I made around $80,000, okay? And, you know, I've invested maybe $500 to take the course, right? And I made all that money back. And that's because I was adding additional value around the course. I was explaining kind of what's in it, what people can expect, and also telling people, hey, if you reach out to me, I'll give you support if you need, you know, just a second opinion or you know, some help along the way. So you gotta put in that work and get it done.
Yeah. Well, anyways, everybody, thank you for tuning into this video. We're out here just relaxing, masterminding. We wanted to do a quick Q&A and answer some of the frequently asked questions, but like this video, subscribe, and thank you for watching.
Take care.